The governor of Enugu State, wey be Peter Mbah, don call Finland to deport Mazi Simon Ekpa so that Nigeria government go catch am. Things are happening. As we are talking that one, they say our brother wey dey call Nonsonkwa don call out the public of everybody, attention of everybody, tell them say that Hope Uzodimma is planning to arrest am again. As we dey talk right now, they say Alaba International Market, the Lagos state government don carry am go down. Everything don fall yakata. One man don call the Nigeria government to dare to arrest P2B and see Nigeria burn down. No be small thing, my people. Go take am one after the other. Please share this video as many as you can. As I talk this thing last time, na person carry am for head though. He say he come dey write another thing put for the matter. My people, please share this video as many as you can in all platforms. This is what I say, and I will say it again. My people, let me play you this video for you to watch before we continue. But don't forget, say you still there for Balabas gist. I'm going to play you the video the moment that Peter Mbah is calling for Simon Ekpa deport from Finland so that the government will catch am. We also watch this video before we come back and continue.
Our people are known for hard work. That's who we are. That is in our DNA. That's our civic habits. We enjoy working hard. And this man sits somewhere and says he loves the Igbo and dictate to us not to go to work. Okay, so I want to also take this opportunity to call on our people to disregard this threat, disregard him and his threat, right? We have demonstrated our capacity to provide security for our people, and we will continue to do so through the help of the security agencies. We cannot be intimidated. We cannot submit ourselves to this siege atmosphere he wants to create in the southeast. Our people are hardworking people. They are known for their hard work. We treasure our hardworking, and we would continue to do so. You cannot love a people, and all you do is the very essence of their existence. You want to pull it from them, okay, and then claim you love them, claim you're fighting for. This is just for him to grow his followership, gaining cheap publicity. But, it's surprising that the Finnish government allows this man to reside peacefully in their home country and, perpetrating terrorism in Nigeria. And I think that this is something your committee may have to wade into and see how this guy can be repatriated and be brought to justice, because this is a murderer. Through his statements, through his actions, a lot of people have died, and he continues in that trajectory. And so this is a tragedy that we must all work as a country to end. It does not represent the Igbo's interest. It does not. So I'm also calling on the youth who, falls for this sort of cheap antics, because this is completely antithetical to our belief system.
The question I want to ask Peter Mbah, is Simon Ekpa cause of price of rice going up, or is Simon Ekpa is a cause of oil? Everything in Nigeria is up. This is the question I'm asking. Is it this thing that the Nigerian government supposed to be talking, or look for a way to make sure say they block all these bandits in the farm in the north, so that some things will be cheaper, and to also work in the economy of the country and make everything more easy, and to bring the inflation of dollar in Nigeria? Well, however, they do not see Simon Ekpa as a problem in this particular side. Okay, my people, let us bring this video for you to hear the moment where our brother Nonsonkwa don't come outside come talk say that Hope Uzodimma is planning to carry him again. Just watch the video.
Ademma, a very quick one. You follow the social media for the past 24 hours or a day now. who protest the fake paid you to say that how under also LGA to House of Assembly Imo State make it Nonsonkwa that Nonsonkwa is using media as a propaganda to cause insecurity in also here the same Nonsonkwa when you Imo State government on a court because of here Bubago Megendolo here the same Nonsonkwa bege Imo State tige Imo State for the past 4 or 5 years. The same Nonsonkwa who the only journalist and human rights activist in Imo State where they share Chwaja say that Ebubago must go, that Ebubago has done a lot. Ebubago has done a lot of damages in Imo State, especially in Olu. Here Nonsonkwa hope Uzodimma Nando tie Biaraburuga Abuja. You know, boye bubo this, boye bubo that. We are still in court, and it is left for the court to determine whether there is a Bubago in Imo or not. Now, one man onyo su no Lagos, ndi na bonwe hando de moso, headed by one Etel Bat genede Odimegu, Etel Odimegu, Nando tie. Heje bru the guy na Lagos eba, because the guy say ha. Onye ebuzile nwunu unu. Oburu na enwere ike gbaghara ndị Boko Haram. Oburu na enwere ike ndị Boko Haram nwere ike enwe repented Boko Haram. Gịnị nwere ike agaghị enwe repented unknown gunmen. If the northerners can say that Boko Haram nwere ndị repentant, that same amnesty enyere ndị north ọ wagaghị enye nwe ndị Igbo. This guy was saying stop the bloodshed. Mande buge nda wucho otu nne. Heje buru the guy na Lagos obebi burie. Anya me press conference under Protect the Weak International Foundation. Obru ni follow me ga hold the press conference. I ga hokwa nwanyi ya na nwa ya. Anya me the press conference. It is not about arresting him. If you arrest him, sue him to court, charge him to court. You don't arrest somebody and keep him in military detention or keep him in DSS detention forever. We had a press conference because this is a violation of his right for you to arrest him without charging him, without taking him to court. It is his you are violating his right. That is the problem we have with the Nigerian security. So we had a press conference and it went viral. Now, ndeji insecurity eri n'osu. Ndeji insecurity eri n'osu. Some people who go on the neighborhood in Dosso, who go Hagana House of Assembly, may protest against Nonsonkwa. That Nonsonkwa is this, Nonsonkwa is that, Nonsonkwa is doing this, Nonsonkwa is doing that. This is another plot of Imo State Governor, Hope Uzodimma, to arrest Nonsonkwa again. I want to say it here. Iha ulamre Nonsonkwa again. Jidenu Governor Imo State who Hope Uzodimma. Jidenu here we here now. Hope Uzodimma brulem ga Abuja. Chukwu kika biama why you say na nyamalo because till today olulam bariagari. God created me for this job. Amru makorwa. And ehuna rumruga aga maruru eruo nishi. Nothing will happen to me. But to anything umere at all. Jidenu Governor Imo State Ibu Hope Uzodimma. We are still in court. Hope Uzodimma should leave Nonsonkwa alone. We are still in court. Allow the court to determine whether Nonsonkwa is using media to do this or do that. Or whether there is a Bubago in Imo or not. Allow the court to decide. So this is a call. An alarm I am raising. Let the whole world hear me. Let the whole world hear me. Iha wala mere Nonsonkwa. Iha wala mere Nonsonkwa. Iha wala mere Chironsoba Nonsonkwa. Jidenu Governor Imo State. Hope Uzodimma. I rest my case.
Yes, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you have watched that video, the moment the governor of Enugu State have make a statement of how the federal government go carry Mazi Simon Ekpa come back for Nigeria. But I don't ask the question many. Is Simon Ekpa the cause of the inflation of dollar? Everything where they rise, food no day. People are crying for inside Nigeria. The answer is no. So why are you people not concerned of working hard to restore, to at least to allow people to eat 3 square meal again in Nigeria? You people are not even bothered. Your business is Nnamdi Kanu, Simon Ekpa, IPOB, the people who say that this thing this government is doing is not our thing. And you can't even tell these journalists that the Igbos are not people that you can intimidate. The Igbos are not people you can keep in one spot. You can tell them the truth, because you are enjoying Nigeria money as a governor right now. You don't even listen to your people. This is the problem. All the governors that come from Southeast, you people don't need listen to your people and know what they want. That is why they voted you in here, that you can speak for them. But you are not speaking for them. You are speaking for your own interests and protecting the interests of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Why you ignoring your people? However, let us go and look what is happening in Alaba right now as we are speaking. Please watch this video.
This is the demolition of Alaba. They are demolishing Alaba now. Today being 21st July 2024, Sunday morning. We are in Alaba now. They are demolishing the Lagos State government. This is the demolition Alaba, some part of Alaba. This is so unfair. This is so unfair. The notice just came yesterday, Saturday, 20th of July. And they gave those that has shops there 6 hours to vacate, which is unfair. The notice is so sudden, and we have no option. We don't know what to do, but God will take control.
Yes, my wonderful people, welcome back. As I've watched that video, and I want you to drop your own opinion in the comment section and share the video as many as you can. And make sure say you subscribe to this channel, and also follow us on TikTok. We did there everywhere. We did there, they wait for you. So follow us on our social media handles, and make sure say you drop your own opinion in comment section regarding what they happen to our people for inside Lagos as we dey talk.